Okay. Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. Hello everyone, how are you? How's the preparation going on? Really limited days for the examination. So today we'll be doing SBI PO pre-preparations, and in today's daily practice sheet we have number series, which will be missing number series, and the other thing will be arithmetic. This problem will be one from boat and stream and the other is from men, or you can say time and work. Hi viral videos, hi Sai Prashad, good afternoon Pratati, hello Preeti. So in this series we will have 7 questions. And for each question, as you all know, you will get 1 minute. That indeed is 60 seconds. Obviously, you need to answer the question in 60 seconds, and to take part in the quiz you can join cracku.in/live. Good evening Chandra, please do join here. So I will write this clearly. Okay, cracku.in/live. Hi Drishya, hello everyone. These questions are really important and really nice question. We will see different approach in each question, and we will see a little things that what is the approach, how do we think how to solve a question. Whenever you see lots of number and a series with a missing number, so what is the first thing that must come in your mind, that how do we solve this question? So we will be focusing on that thing. Good evening Priya Varsini. Do join to cracku.in/live to take part in the quiz. As you all know, if you are among the top 7 people, then your name will be visible in the leaderboard, and if you are among the top 3 people, then you will be winning a gift hamper. And what is the gift hamper? It is SBI PO pre mock test series. This mock test series will have 20 mock tests, both in Hindi and English. तो अगर आपको हिंदी में देना हो आप हिंदी में दे सकते हो, हिंदी में भी है, and if you want to go with English, do go with English. Hi Krish, hi Purna, hi Muttu Sekar. Do join to cracku.in/live so that we can begin the test. Today's session will have 7 questions, 5 from number series and 2 from arithmetic. This is going to be a daily practice sheet. Each day we will get new questions, new topics, so that we can at least keep the practice for SBI PO pre. Remember, before 18th of December, make sure you complete all your previous year question paper, at least for the year 2019. And here with all I means just not for SBI PO, but with it IBPS PO pre, even IBPS clerk and SBI clerk pre. Remember all the 4 papers, and even you want to do for RRB, then go with that also. At least this will give you an idea that what examiner wants, how is the question, what is the level of the question. Okay, shall we begin now? Everybody do join here. Let me write here first SBI PO Pre daily practice sheet, and to join the test tracku.in/live so that you can participate in it. Do join this. Chalo, shall I pose the first question? Everybody ready? Remember, you get 1 minute for one question. I am posting the first question. Here we go. Hello Variant, yeah, late, but no problem. Do join to tracku.in/live. Remember, the link is in the description box. The first link, just go and click that link. If you are for the first time, you are logging in for the first time, it will ask your mail ID, and that's it. A really easy question. "25 seconds remaining." Three seconds remaining, and we have 3 correct answers. And with this, the time's up. We have 5 correct answer and 3 wrong answer. Acha, if you want to attempt more than 30 to at least 30 to 33 question in quant section, make sure the first section is all your quadratic equation, number series and DI. You complete this section in 12 minutes. If you don't have a practice, put a timer, practice a lot so that you complete this section in 12 to 13 minutes. As for arithmetics, you need to give 7 to 8 minutes, minimum 7 to 8 minutes. There are 10 questions and you need this time. So, if you are practicing in this time slot, definitely you can do 30 plus question in quants. So, let us see what is the answer for this. I am clearing everything. Okay, what is the approach? You can see the numbers are increasing, then it is decreasing. Okay, let me write it. When they are steady increase and decrease, that means something is getting added up or something is getting subtracted. Let us check that. What is the difference? Second number and the first number. It is 8. Again, here the difference is 16, that is minus 16 if you do second number and the first number. Here it is again plus 32. So, as I am writing the number, can you get the series? Definitely. So, this is 64. What should be the question mark? 8, 16, 32, this and 128. If there is plus, minus, there should be plus. Just add 37 to this. What do you get? 7, 7, 14, 15, 1561. So, option B is the correct answer, and 5 people got this correct. Let us go to the next question. Yes, Drishya, B is the correct answer. Do join here if you want to participate, as if you are in the top 3 people, you will be winning a gift hamper. A really quick answer. Twenty seconds remaining and we have 3 correct answers. Four seconds. And with this, the time is up. We have 5 correct answer, okay, 6 correct answers and 0 wrong answer. That's really nice. Let us see. Okay, whenever you see this kind of question, rather than finding a difference or anything, notice a thing, that is 8 and 9. In 90% of the question of number series, when you see numbers like 2, 3, 8, 9, just the increase by a single number, the possible thing. I am not saying this will be required in all the 100%, but more than 80%, I can say 90% of times. The first thing you can notice is this is into 1 plus 1. Here the number is getting nearly half, so I can say this is into 0.5 plus 1. Okay, Purna, we see that. See, the ranks are here. If you are having a same score, then the time matters, who is doing the answer more quickly. As you know, the exam is 100 questions and 60 minutes. So, with the correct answer, even the time you take to solve a question matters. What I am writing, yeah. Okay, where were we? So, the first two series, now let us see what is this. Similarly, this is nearly, again this is into 2 plus 1. So, what should this be? This should simply be into 2.5 plus 1. I have just decoded everything by just looking two numbers, that is 8 and 9. Whenever in the examination you see numbers like 8 and 9 or the increase just by one number, there is one possible condition, that is it is into 1, and if there is deviation like into 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1, you can notice in these numbers. The other thing it can be is 8 plus 1 cube, but if there is 1 cube, the other number should be either 2 cube or 3 cube depending on the question. Here we do not have that series. So, here it is into 1 plus 1, the deviation is of plus 1. So, what do we get? The answer is 30 into 2.5, it is 75 plus 1, 76. Option C is the correct answer. Nidhi, Priya, option C is the correct answer. See, 2.5 can be written as 5 by 2, right? So, 15 into 5 is 75 now, and if you add 1 it is 76. So, 6 correct answers. Let us go to the next question. Yes, Priya, option C is the correct answer. Sure, I will write this till then. Five seconds remaining. A really easy question. Okay, with this we have 4 correct answers and 3 wrong answer. Just check, it is increasing steadily. So, check the difference, it is 9. Check the difference here, it is 25. Check the difference here, what is it? It is 49. Again, if this is 3 square, 5 square, what is the next thing? It is 7 square. What is this? Just check it. It is 9 square. What should the next number be? It should be 11 square, that is 121. Just add them, 503. Option D is the correct answer. What was so tough in this? I have just checked the difference, nothing else. What was the difference? I have checked it, I got my answer. Yes, Drishya. Yes, Kalpita. Yes, Priya. Option D is the correct answer. Let's go to the next question now. Remember, you can join the test via the link cracku.in/live. Okay, 20 seconds remaining. Come on. With this, the time's up and there are 0 correct answer and 1 wrong answer. That is, okay, we have 1 correct answer and 1 wrong answer. That means this question was unattempted by many. So let us see how do we do this. And question mark. This is the question we have. First, we can't get an idea what is it. So let us check the difference. What is the difference here? 2. What is the difference here? 11. What is the difference here? It is 29. And what is the difference here? It is 356. Right? After seeing the difference also, we don't get any idea what is it. What are the other approaches we can see? This is into 1 plus 2. So this should be into 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 2, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, it's not 18. So you can say into 2 plus 4, but again that series is not going with all the numbers. Now let us check the difference of the differences. What is this? It is 9. What is this? It is 18 and this is 27. Now can you get the series, the double difference one? Yes, definitely. This is 9 into 1, 9 into 2, 9 into 3. So the next is 9 into 4. 9 into 4 is 36. Add this, you get 92. Again add this, 103 and 92 is 5, 9, 1, 195 is the correct answer, option A. Yes, Ramya Shri, option A is the correct answer. Just see, we have checked with a different approach. We have seen the difference. There was no sense in the difference. We have checked the multiplication. It was not going with all the numbers, and even we have checked the different things. So the other thing you can check is the double difference. Question can be of double difference, right? Even there are questions of double series, like a number is given 208, again 400, that this is following some different series, this is following some different series. So you must check each and every possibility. Let's go to the next question. And the fifth question, the last question from number series. Yes, Priya, option A is the correct answer. Yes, Kalpita, option A. Come on, it's an easy question. Check this. The increase is not steady. It's not something getting added up. Rather, it can be something getting multiplied or the squares or anything else. Just check the difference, whether it is going steadily or not. Fifteen seconds remaining and we already have 3 correct answers. Yes, Pawan, you are correct. And the time is up. With this we have 4 correct answers and 3 wrong answers. These are the top 3 people, Pratati, Steny and Purna, with the same score, that is 4. Yes, Kalpita, Ayushi and Priya, it's correct answer, option E. Let us see how do we do this. Again, as I said, if you see a number which is nearly same, that means either it is a cube of something, that is 1 cube, adding 1 cube, or it is into 1, and the deviation. So, here the deviation is of plus 1. So, let us check. Yes, Priya, you are saying everything correct. For the next one, this is into 2, and what is the deviation you can check? It is 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 2 is 18. So, this is plus 2. Check the deviation here, it is into 3, that is 54, and then plus 3. So, we can see the series, it is just into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 3 plus 3. The next number will be into 4 plus 4. So, 57 into 4 is 228, and if you are adding this, what do you get is 232. Option E is the correct answer, and we have 4 correct answers, rather many correct answers. There is Kalpita, Priya, see Priya, for every correct answer you get 1 marks, and for every wrong answer you get 0. That is minus 0.25, and if you are getting everything correct and you are not in the leaderboard, that means you are not replying, rather you have not taken part in the test. To take part in the test, you need to join cracku.in/live. The link is given in the description box. Just touch that link, you can take part in the quiz. Then if you reply and mark the answer correctly, remember after joining the test you get questions here, and with 5 options you need to select one option, and the video will be playing here, and even there is a chat box so that you can chat, or if you have any doubt you can ask there. And if you are keeping your answers correct in this test, then you can see your name in the leaderboard. So, option E is the correct answer. We have 4 correct answers and 3 wrong answers. Let me clear this. The next 2 questions, which are really interesting question, I feel, are from arithmetic. Let's go. Get ready, 1 minute, and here is the next question. Come on Sandra, come on Aryan, come on Sai. With this, we have 1 correct answer till now, 30 seconds passed. Ten seconds remaining. Okay, with this we have 1 correct answer and 1 wrong answer, that means maximum is unattempted. Let us do this question. This is a really easy question. Maybe it seems difficult, but it's easy question. B is 20% more efficient than A. Let us say the efficiency of A is 100%. So, you can say this to be 1. And if you want to keep it with any variable like A, X, Y, Z, whatever, but they are getting cancelled out. So, for the convenience, let us say 1A or just A. So, B is 120% of A. Now, that is 1.2A. This is the efficiency of A and B. I am clear till now. This is the first line what it is saying. B started the work. Always remember, work done is equals to efficiency into time taken. Work done is equal to efficiency that how efficient you are and what is the time you are taking to complete that work. So, B started the work and did it for x days, okay, and here the total work will be work done by A plus B, right, and then B was replaced by A and A completed the remaining work in x plus 8 days, okay. So, work done by A is equals to the efficiency of A, that is A, into the time taken by A, that is x plus 8. Work done by B is equals to efficiency of B 1.2 A into time taken by B, that is x. Even no need to do this thing. If you see the first line, you can just get it is A, that is 1 and 1.2. The question says the ratio of the work done is 3:2. That means the ratio of this is 3/2. A and A are cancelled. If you take it there, it is 2x plus 16 is equals to 3.6x. So, 16 is equals to 1.6x and x is equals to 10. We got the value of x. So, we can get the value of total work, that is 18 plus 18a for your convenience plus 12, that is 1.2a into x, again it is 12a, that is again 30a. Now, the next thing is, where shall I write? Yeah. We have the value of total work, that is 30a. We know work is equals to efficiency into time. So, the time taken will be work done, that is 30a, divided by the efficiency, that is 2.2, or 300a by 22a, or 150 by 11. I have done step by step so that you understand each and everything, that how are we proceeding, or else you must know this work is equals to efficiency into time and you can solve the problem. The answer is option C. Ayushi, Kalpita, Irfan, Pavan, Priya, the answer is option C, 150 divided by 11. See, if you know this, and this is given in the question itself, that is one is 100% and one is 120%, and even the ratios are given. So, just compare the ratio, you will get the values. Chalo, let us go to the next question now. And the time begins now. And this is the last question which will fix the leaderboard. Always remember, as I say, downstream is something like getting down from a ladder. We get excited and we jump, jump, jump. That is, our energy is increasing. So, this is speed of boat plus speed of stream, and upstream is when you climb a staircase. As along the stair, you get tired, right? You climb 10 steps and you are like, oh, I am tired, we need to take the lift, because the energy is decreasing, we are getting tired. So, the speed of boat minus s. May I know which 18 you are asking for the next, the last question? We will explain it again, don't worry, Britati. Okay, with this, we have one correct answer and 3 wrong answers. Let us see how do we do this. This is just an easy question. Let us see what is the question saying. The time taken for covering x kilometer in downstream is equal to the time taken for covering x minus 18 kilometers in upstream. Okay. The upstream speed is 6 kilometer per hour, that is 6 kilometer per hour less than the downstream. So, that means upstream is equals to downstream minus 6. We know upstream is equals to b minus s and downstream is equals to b plus s minus 6. So we get 2s is equals to 6, and the speed of the stream is 3 km per hour. The next given is the speed of the boat is 15, boat is 15. So downstream is equals to 15 plus 3 is 18, and the upstream is equals to 15 minus 3 is 12. We got the downstream and upstream speeds. We know speed is equals to distance by time, so time is equals to distance by speed. So here the time taken for upstream and downstream are same. We will just form an equation so that we can solve our question. Here the distance is x, for the downstream speed is 18, for the upstream one the distance is and the speed is 12, 6 2 ja, 6 3 ja, it is 2x is equals to 3x minus 54. So just get this here. So we get x is equals to 54. The value of x is 54 kilometers. Option D is the correct answer. Yes, Aryant, yes, Kalpita, option D is the correct answer, and one person got this correct and 3 wrong. This was this easy, nothing to do. All the values are given. You just need to arrange them and get the answers. So I am clearing this. There is a doubt in the last question. Let us see this. So where did the 18 come? Let us see. We will solve the question again. It is saying the efficiency of A is 1 and B is 1.2. Okay. So the total work is 1 plus 1.2, right? That is 2.2. I am not taking A, as you know they are getting cancelled out. So work done is equals to efficiency into time. So for work done for A will be efficiency, that is 1, into x, that is just x, and for B it will be, okay, this is plus 8, okay. For B it will be 1.2 into x, that is 1.2 into x. We know that we need to find a ratio of A is to B, so it is x plus 8 by 12 is equals to 3 is to 2. This is the thing we need, right? So just let us do this now. This is 2x plus 8 2 ja 16. This is 3.6 x. We get the value of x to be 10. Okay. Now work done by A, work by A, this is x plus 8. So if you do 10 plus 8 will be 18. Here the 18 comes from Britati. The next is work by B. So the work by B is 1.2 into 10, that is 12. So the total, it is 30 divided by 2.2, what you get? 150 by 11, and this is your answer. Am I clear now? So this was the last question. With this, the top 3 is Pratati with score 4, Steny with score 4, and Purna with score 4. Congratulations people, you are eligible for SBI PO pre mock test series. This series will have 20 mock tests, both in Hindi and English. Subham is with the score 3.25, Sai Prasad with score 2, and Aryant with score 1.25, and Sandra with score 1. Congratulations everyone for being in the top 7. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please do like, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubt, please do comment below. Tomorrow we will be back again at 4 p.m. with a new topic. Again, this will be inclusion of 2 topics, maybe it is simplification or approximation plus some other questions of arithmetic, so that we can get a daily practice of questions, that is daily practice sheet. Thank you everyone for being a part. Do practice for the examination, and if you have scored well in your IBPS clerk exam, then do remember to prepare for the mains exam. See, you need to skill for SBI PO. There are 2 to 3 things you can't skip. The first is solving DI. You get at least 2 to 3 DI, that is all total of 15 questions, and the other is sitting arrangement and puzzles. You get nearly 3 to 5 sitting arrangement and puzzle question, again that is 15 to 25 questions. So, if you are weak in that portion, start working now, as if you skip that, you are skipping a major portion of your question paper. Thank you Purna, thank you Pratati for being a part of this. Thank you everyone.